In order to change the default sending email, you need to click on File, click on Account Settings, select Account Settings. Here under the Email tab, you can see your current default email. Simply select the new email that you want to set as default and then click on Set as Default and then click on Close. We also got to change another settings in the options. So click on File again, but this time click on Options, select Mail, scroll down to Send Messages, and make sure always use the default account when composing new messages is checked, and then after checking that, click on OK. And now it doesn't matter which email you're on. If you click on here to compose a new email, it would always send from your default email. Unfortunately, there is no way to change the default reply email without changing the registry editor or creating a macro. Since they can cause security problems, I don't do.